بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected parents and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे. Dear students, क्या आपने मैथ्स की वीडियोस देखी और आपने अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया तो उसको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें. आओ बच्चों अपनी क्लास शुरू करते हैं. दिस इज़ योर मैथ क्लास. नाउ वी विल रीड नंबर poem 1, 2. How are you? 3, 4. Wash the floor. 5, 6. Touch your lips. 7, 8. Open the gate. 9, 10. Tiger in the den. Okay, student. Today my topic is number 2. Today I will clear the concept of 2. Okay, students. Look at here. This is number 2. Which number is this? This is 2. Okay, I will repeat 2. Okay, say again 2. 2. 2 mean two things. 2 mean two things. मतलब एक से जब ज़्यादा हो जाए तो उसको हम 2 कहते हैं. 2 चीज़ों को हम 2 कहते हैं. Like this. Okay, student, look at here. This is 2 and there is 2 cups. Can you count this? How many are these? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, say again. Which number is this? 2. This is 2. And how many cups are there? 1, 2. These are 2 cups. These are 2 cups. Okay, students, look at here. What are these? Yes, very good. These are markers. These are markers. Can you count this? How many are these? Yes, 1, 2. 1, 2. These are 2 markers. These are 2 markers. Okay, students, look at here. Which number is this? 2. Yes, this is 2 and these are 2 markers. This is 2 and these are 2 markers. Very good. Students, look at here. What is this? Yes, these are clips. These are clips. Okay, can you count? How many are these? Yes, tell me. 1, 2. Very good. Yes, these are 2 clips. These are 2 clips. Yes, this is 2 and these are 2 clips. This is 2 and these are 2 clips. बच्चों अभी हम नंबर 2 के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. 2 mean two things. यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ पे ये 2 है और हमारे पास कितने क्लिप्स हैं यहाँ पे? 1, 2. हम कौन से नंबर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? 2. Okay, students, look at here. What is this? Yes, these are sharpener. One is pink and one is blue. One is pink and one is blue. What are these? Yes, these are sharpeners. Can you count this? How many are these? Yes, these are 2 sharpeners. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many are these? 2 sharpeners. These are 2 sharpeners. Yes, this is which number is this? Yes, very good. This is 2. Yes, now you learn about 2. And what are these? Sharpeners. And how many sharpeners are there? 2. 1, 2. This is 2 and these are 2 sharpeners and these are 2 sharpeners. Okay, student, look at here. What are these? Yes, you know about these. These are bones. These are bones. Can you count? How many are these? Yes, 1, two. 1, 2. These are two balls. These are two balls. Yes, student, which number is this? 2. Very good, excellent. This is 2 and these are two balls and these are two balls. ओके बच्चों बताए अभी हम कौन से नंबर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? 2. वेरी गुड. अभी हम 2 के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. 2 हम कितनी नंबर्स को कहते हैं? दो चीज़ों को की तादाद को हम 2 कहते हैं. मोहतरम वालिदैन, आप अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठकर मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से 2 की पहचान करवा सकते हैं. आप किसी भी चीज़ से जो आपको इजी हो अपने बच्चों को टाइम दें. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. प्यारे बच्चों, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.